Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Noob 1. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So it's a simple CTF, so we would like to solve that one. So first open the terminal. So first you just type sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here as net discover minus -80. So I identify my target machine is here. Then later you just type here as nmap minus 34 minus as an aggressive stack, and hero targeted IP address. So I have got the one is available with FTP, another one is available with 8D. That's it. So I would like to look any hidden ports is available in my target IP address. So I just put as port. So we just walk over there. So first we would like to visit to our Apache server. So just open this and carry out targeted IP address 192.168.18.135. So it shows here something as login, but let it load as it's just as a login. That's it. So first we would like to entirely just copy this one. Now first we would like to look this one with first we would like to go with as directory buster. Let's paste it here. Then later we would like to go with as a nicto minus h. Let's paste it. Then what is our next target is here is we would like to look here. So it's the nmap results is still going. So there is FTP is available with anonymous login is allowed. We would like to look here. So index.php, index.html. So here with the directory buster, we not get any useful information. So with the directory buster, we not get any useful information. So just login directly is 192.168.18.135. We just type here as anonymous. So we just login successfully. Now just type list. So you just type here as get create.txt. We have got this. Then get a welcome. That's great. Now just type exit. So there is nothing else. So now just type as cat create.txt. So there is an basic 64. So you just entirely just copy this one. You just type cat. Oh, sorry. You just type as echo. Let's paste it. You just type here as base64 as decode. So I have got here as term and password. So just copy this one, come back here. So paste is the username and password is password. So where we have login here. So it shows here no BT. Now we would like to come back here. Now just type here as cat welcome. So welcome. We are glad to see you here. All the best. That's it. In the nicto, there is nothing else. So we have successfully logged in over here. It's still getting this nmap result. So let it be. Now let's come back here. So home index.php. Now we would like to look here. So I have downloaded this download wrap. So now just copy from let's just club downloads. Wrap to. So I just need to get here. So better I would like to move this without copy. I just put move. So now I just type list here. So you just type here as unwrap downloads dot wrap. So we need to enter with the right command here. So unwrap. So I just specify X. So I have extracted here all. Now we would like to look here. The main thing is, so now just type the list. So cd downloads, now just type list minus here, now just type here as cat sudo. So did you notice the file name? It is interesting. uh, yes, it's maybe interesting. So we have got another one port is 55077, that is in SH. Okay, that's great. Now we just need to install like this and all JPG. So you just type here as Steganography. So let it install, enter your password, just type yes. This was done. So now we would like to do here is, so let it be one done. So now just come back here, stick hide extract minus sf. Now just utilize as a funny dot jpg. Uh, so I have got here as him.python. Now I just put as bpm bmp, the last one. Could not extract any data that with a pass is. Now we just look here as a cat hint dot a python. So this is not a Python file, but you are resolving around. So this is was true. Now what we would like to do here is, now we just type here as clear. Now just type list. So we just type here as a file funny dot bmp. Uh, so it's no such file or directory. Oh, sorry. So you just need to type here as funny dot. It's a JPG image, a data GIF. So I would like to use as seek. This is better for this type of things to extract here. Let it do here. Now we would like to do this with seek funny dot bmp. We would like to look this. It may be going to be cracked or does not going to be cracked. So it does not extract it here. So I would like to use as a stick hide extract minus sf. Um, enter this passphrase, what we would like to put here. Here is just enter. Extract with the data, that is passphrase. So we would like to do that. So we try with the here as something like sudo. So then it was done. Now we would like to do here is now we just type here as cat user.txt. Now that's I have got here, so just write clear. Now just type here as list. So we have extracted here. So the password is we have already available here. So that I was utilize this also to extract here. So just write here as cat sudo. Did you notice the file name? It was interesting. This is a password for this one funny.bmp. Now just write here as cat user.txt. That's great. We have got the some interesting things. So now just entirely just copy this. So let's walk to the here as cyberchef. So let's walk to here, this cyberchef. So in CTFs there will be a little bit complicated and a little bit confusing. So we need to understand very clearly. That's it. Now we just look this cyberchef. Now we would like to extract this one, the real data. Let's see. So it's been taking a long time. Now I just type here as 50. So we would like to look from here. So if this is not found, so we would like to look from here. So now so I just refresh this one. So I would like to look here as so no have here. So which type of we would like to put here? So just come back here. So we just type here as so we just type here as Caesar cipher. So here it's came, so you don't need to worry. So you just type here as rot 30. So you just drag here. Now you just entirely just copy this one. Let's come back here. So you just paste here in the input data. Now I have got here WTF, and this is one is simple one. So this is a simple CTF. So just copy this one. So like we would like to walk to here. Now we just put here as so you just type here as such. Port is 55077 and paste the username, enter our target right address 192.168.18.135. That's it. You just type yes, and password is you just need to copy from here. This is one is simple one, so you just copy. Now just come back here, let it paste it. So where we have logged in here successfully. Now Attempt not to be a desperate man. William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. Now just type here as plus minus. Yeah. So here is nothing else. This is uh, everything. So now what is our target key? So we just type here as sudo minus L. So let it paste the password one more time. It's all for all. So you just type here as sudo su. So we have successfully came to a root. So you just type here as cd root list minus air cat root.txt. So this is in base 64. So just copy this one, come back here, file new tab. So you just type here as echo, then let it paste here. You just type here as base 64 as decode. Endos mean the LinkedIn. So Deepak hai. So where we have got it this one here. That's it. Try hack me with malware. So we have got the root privilege access and we have read the root flag also. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.